Hello, welcome little learners. Today we will learn ABCD A to Q alphabet. Let's start the video. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for gun. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.